Hello students. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is communication system, which is considered as one of the most easiest concept in modern physics. What does the word communication means? The word communication means exchanging of information. Right? In ancient time, people used to communicate by carving something on the trees or the rocks. As the time moves or the technology got improved, we have found many devices or many instruments where we can communicate each other very easily. Basically, communication system can be defined as the faithful transmission of information from one point to another. So, let it be in the ancient times or let it be in a very new modern era, when we are communicating, what we are doing is we are exchanging information. Right? If I am talking with you, I am sharing some information to you, which means I am at one point and you are at the other point and we are transmitting information. I am transmitting some information to you. So basically, communication system can be defined as the faithful transmission of information from one point to another point. So communication system can be defined as the faithful transmission of information from one point to another. Now, technology have developed this much that even you can communicate with a person who is sitting at US. Or you can even find out a hotel or a resort which is in New Zealand or in Australia. Right? So how does these things happen? In this lesson, we will be discussing about how this communication is happening. Now take a look at this definition about communication system. What you are able to understand. By giving a close look to the definition, you can understand that we are transferring information from one point to other, which means we will be transferring information. In order to transfer information, we need a transmitter and there will be a receiver who will be receiving the transmitted information. Right? So now, as I have taken the example, information can be of any type, such as if you are talking with your friend who is in USA, you will be talking with him in a mobile. Right? So there you will be talking, that means the information which you are passing is through sound. So information can be a audio signal. So basically, what is a signal? You have learned it in your previous chapter. Signal can be defined as varying current or voltage with respect to time. Right? So it can be a audio signal or even it can be a video signal. We all love to watch cricket and football, right? Mostly all football games which we are watching will be happening in Manchester or Madrid, which is very far from India, right? So there, what kind of signal we are receiving is video signal or even data. If you think that you want to write a mail to the president of US, how you are transferring your data? So basically, information can be classified as an audio signal, video signal or a data signal. Now the biggest question which is arising will be, if it is an audio signal, how a device or how an electronic device can transmit it? Because normally we will be talking with our friend through our mobile, right? And mobile is an electronic device. So how the signals are getting converted into electrical form is by using a device called transducer. So what does transducer does? It will be converting the information signals into electrical signal. Then by a transmitter, this information signal will be carried to the receiver. But now transmitter need a medium. It is very important that transmitter needs a medium to carry that information signal to the receiver end. So in communication system, we will be calling that medium as a channel. Then by using a channel, it will be reaching the receiver end. Now one more question will be arising, which is in the receiver end, the signal or the information which we are going to receive is in electrical form. So let's say if you were at the transmitting end and President of US is at the receiving end. And if you are saying him, hello sir, the information which you are passing is of sound. Your input is a sound signal. And at the transmitter end, the transducer will be converting that sound signal into electrical signal. So, at the receiving end, there also he should receive a sound signal only. The President of US is not supposed to receive an electrical signal, right? Or else what will happen? You just can't even imagine. So, at the receiver end also, there will be a transducer which converts the electrical signal which is carried by the transmitter into the desired input signal. So, here also there will be a transducer. So, these are the basic unit of a communication system. So, students, here in this video we have learned what is communication system and what are its basic elements. Let's have a quick recap what we have learned in this video. We have defined communication system as faithful transmission of information from one point to another. By understanding the definition, we have made a block diagram for communication system. This information basically will be the input signal. It can be audio, it can be video, or even it can be a data. Then that input signal will be getting converted into suitable electrical signal, and that signal will be carried by the transmitter through a channel and will be given to the receiver. At the receiver end also, the electrical signal will be again converted into its original form and will be given to the user.